Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to post NGL link to your Instagram story. Now there are actually two ways in which you could go about doing this. One is by actually clicking on copy link and manually pasting the link to your Instagram story. Now the second method is by copying the link and clicking on step 2, which says share link on your Instagram story. Now once you click on share, you'd be prompted to follow through 4 steps. And once you've completed all the 4 steps, you would then need to click on share to your Instagram. And once you click on share on Instagram, you'd be redirected to your Instagram story, where you'd need to click on the sticker icon that is right beside the text icon. And once that is done, you then need to click on the link sticker and paste the link. Then click on done at this point. Then adjust it to fit that area. And that's pretty much how you'd go about pasting the NGL link to your Instagram story. So if you guys found this video useful, or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.